Look at this phantom wallet, $5.7 million all made from deving meme coins. No luck, no guessing, just deving the right way. Stick around and I'll break it all down for you guys in today's video. Now, I've spent months trying to time the perfect entry on new coins and trying to make some money trading meme coins. But every single time I bought inside a brand new meme coin on Memescope, I got completely dumped on over and over again. And that's exactly when it hit me. The real money is not made in trading coins. It's made in launching the actual coin. That's where the real money is. Because when you dev your own coins, you're in full control of the supply, the narrative, the timing, everything. You cannot lose nothing as a creator because launching meme coins is free and dumping it is also free, but profits will come along. And right now, Bitcoin is fucking pumping. Also Solana too. There's no better time to start launching than right now. I'm pretty sure Solana is above $210, so start right now. And by the way, bro, everything in today's video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice, and everything is made with AI, so it's all fake. Cap! Now, the real question is, where do you dev a meme coin? Well, most people go to Pump.Fun because they think it might be the play, right? Pump.Fun, I cannot type. Now, Pump.Fun might look easy, but it's flooded. Thousands of coins are launching daily and vanishing within minutes. You don't even control your own liquidity when you launch a meme coin, and you don't control your project. Even if you're up a couple $1,000s in profits, you cannot even remove that money because you do not control it. It's only Pump.Fun that controls it. That's fucking bad. And on top of that, when you launch a meme coin, your coin has to reach 100% bonding curve for it to migrate on the Raydium DEX. It's just too hard for normal people like you and me. And that's exactly why I completely switched to create tokens.io, because all your coins launches directly onto Raydium. They get instantly graduated and becomes tradable the second it goes live. That means instant exposure and full control from the start and way more profits, bro. That's exactly why thousands of people are going to this platform. Now, here's exactly how launching / deving works on create tokens.io. Now, you have two simple options to pick from to launch your meme coin. It all depends to you. The first option is to create a coin from scratch. So go on X, for example, go on Instagram, go on TikTok, go on YouTube, and look for something trending that you could make a coin out of. For example, Elon Musk tweets usually do really well because he's the face of crypto. Every single tweet that he makes turns into $1,000 meme coin. For example, logo completed, macro hard. That dude, I'm pretty sure someone made a coin out of it and he made thousands of dollars, right? That's a really good example. But once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, enter a name, invent a symbol for it, and add a quick logo just by screenshotting, for example, this, right? And then after a couple more steps, and then, yeah, bro, you are done. Your coin is custom made. But the second method, that's my go-to method because it's the one that makes the most amount of money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now all of these coins on this list right here are already moving on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one, launch it instantly onto Raydium, and because the hype's already there, you'll see instant buyers and way more profits from the start. But bro, copying coins might be the move because, bro, you can turn $1,000 into $10,000. It's really lucrative. You guys will see. Okay guys, let's stop over explaining. I'm about to dev a meme coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how fast it happens and potentially make some bread. So first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh list to have all the new coins right here, and let's go with the Crypto coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago, a decent PFP, decent reply rate, and a $20,000 market cap, so click on create coin. After that, ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Proceed, confirm, click the checkbox and then confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. And then boom, if I go on the SoScan, you guys can see that it's minted on the blockchain, right? It's all legit. It's fucking, you know, the site actually works. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super straightforward. We're just adding liquidity into your coin. That's what lets people buy and sell your token instantly. Once it is on the Raydium DEX, it will pop up right here and you control the whole money. Now for the amount token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into your custom pool. For the amount token B right under, this is your first buy into your own project. You are not losing that first buy, it's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL right here, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL will come back straight inside your Phantom Wallet because you were the first buyer, so you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL into the for the first buy just to be safe, and then make sure you have enough in your wallet. Click on create pool and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh right here, and if you scroll down, boom, the Crypto coin is on live. Our PNO is right here. It should pop up on the Raydium DEX. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. If you want to see the chart on other trading platforms like Axum, just put in the token address right here. It's that simple. Now let me go on full screen for a better view. Okay, it's live. We're already up a couple $100 already. Let's fucking go. This is fucking insane. Now guys, if you want to check your profits during the pump, come back to create tokens.io and you guys can see that your profits are right here. Now if you click on the refresh button right here, now we're up $215 because people are now buying into our coin right here. As you guys can see, we're at a 1.6k market cap with a $200 profit. It might be more now. That's fucking insane. Let's fucking go. Pump 1.1k in liquidity. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? Okay, it's pumping so much. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna dump the coin once I am back. Let's fucking go. Okay guys, I am back. The coin is so bullish, it's doing higher highs, higher lows. We are pushing $3,000 in market cap. It's actually insane. Now, we are still getting transactions in, but if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button for a second, third time. And bang! We are up $2,000 in USD with a 2.2k market cap. It's actually insane, bro. In a span of a couple minutes, it's actually insane. Now, before it goes down, click on the minus button, do 100%, click the red button right here. And now, as you guys can see, we're going to receive this much. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational wealth. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, $2,000 all in my Phantom Wallet. Bro, it's real. Do not comment that it's all fake. Look, bro, it's real. All live on camera, all raw.